Hey there, viewers, welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. Got the 2011 Subaru. It's the Outback. It's got the big 2.5, and it's got a brake light out. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but the lady says it's been fixed several times, and it's still out, or it goes out, immediately after getting it fixed. So I don't know what's going on. We might find a bad socket back there. I don't know, but let's get after it. Oh, got a couple scrivets here. Pop these little guys out. Might be wrong. Let me, I am wrong. Haha. Boom, fixed it. Look at that. Let there be light. Got a loose screw, lady. So we're gonna have to take a look here and see if it's in the socket or what the deal is. Oh, she's out again. So just looking at the bulb, it doesn't look blown, and the bulb appears to be pretty new. I wonder if the reverse light bulb, well, that's the turn signal. This is gonna be a 194, yep. That's a 7443 here. It should still light in this socket, right? Are they wired? Yes, they're wired the same, just out of curiosity. Yeah. The old classic case of the bad bulb. What the heck? Thing looks pretty mint though. It's not burned out or nothing, and the element looks like it goes straight across. Grab us a new bulb. Yeah, simple as that. That's kind of bizarre. Maybe just putting in some crap bulbs, I guess. Definitely not in the socket or anything. Or in the wiring, none of that. Well, oh well, that's part of what we do, I guess. Stick it back together here. Put some screws back in it. The other customer complaint is the oil leak. So we've got to look. She says she has an oil leak by the oil filter housing. So we're going to take a peek at that and see what that is. I got a little oil burning on the exhaust there. And there is an oil drip on that filter, but looks like the only place it can be coming from is the filter. I don't see anything on the back of the timing cover. Huh, well, let's see if the filter's loose. Well, I wouldn't say it's loose. I mean, I can loosen it up by hand, but well, I'll tell you what, just to be on the safe side, because clearly it's been dripping and leaking on her exhaust. And oddly enough, for a Subaru, the rest of this thing looks pretty dry. It's kind of bizarre. Let's just play it safe, and we'll just swap out our filter here for it. It's not even close to being due for an oil change, so we'll swap that out. Engine's cold. This thing's gonna be drizzling for quite a while. I just want to wipe off where the filter sits here, just to make sure there's nothing on there. It's not double O-ring or anything. The filter I just took off, the O-ring looks to be in good shape. Oh well, it's part of the everyday here, I guess. I'll get a little oil on her finger. Around the gasket. We'll spin this new filter back up on. It's your classic 7712 from Napper. All right. shape. Well, there you have it, folks. I guess you got to take the boring stuff with the exciting stuff, if you will. And I haven't had a video out in more than a week. And that's because this is all I've been doing. It seems like just the really mundane, I guess it would be, shop repairs. So I'll try to bring you guys along on more of those because, well, I don't know, because it's all we got. So why don't you give me all you've got down in that comment section with your questions, your comments, your concerns, the Insta, the Facebook. You guys know what to do. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.